Welcome back to Rough Diamond Recipes. Today's recipe is lamb kebabs with cumin and mint. As normal, a full list of ingredients can be found in the description box below. Okay, first thing you do to make these kebabs is put the lamb and tomatoes to one side, put all the rest of the ingredients into a blender and blend to a fine paste. How hard can that be? And that's the marinade done. Next, put the lamb in a suitably sized bowl and pour over the marinade. Mix until it's well coated in the mixture and refrigerate for at least 3 hours. Then when you're ready to cook, it's skewer time. Simply place a piece of lamb on a skewer, followed by a tomato, followed by another piece of lamb, and keep going till all the skewers are used up, or all the lamb is. You think the wife is quick doing these kebabs? You want to see my daughters go through my wallet? When all the kebabs are prepared, it's off to a preheated, well-oiled griddle pan. And continue to cook on a medium heat, turning occasionally until the lamb is cooked how you like it. Hope you enjoyed this tasty but easy recipe. Don't forget to subscribe, share and like, and hopefully we'll see you soon on the next one. Bye for now.